Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stabilize a shaky video in CapCut PC. So if your recording skills aren't that great, you can stabilize it. Select your video, scroll down into stabilize, and you're just going to select it. There are 3 levels. You can do the recommended, the minimum cut, or the most stable. If you want it super stable, just select the most stable level, but it will crop a lot. Well, not a lot. It will crop some of your video out, and it will kind of like zoom in a little bit to minimize the shaky part of your video. And it's just processing. It's on like 70% now. And I'm just going to wait until it's 100% to show you guys what it will look like after. Okay, so this is what it will look like after. As you can see, the video is not as shaky as when we first saw it. And that's because they kind of like zoomed in a little bit to the video and kind of cut off a lot of things and used kind of like keyframes to, I guess, make it more stable. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!